everyone! Today I'm making my own version delicious and easy chicken biryani at home. This recipe is simple, flavorful, and perfect for a family meal. Let's get started. For this recipe, I only used what is available to my kitchen, nothing really fancy. 500 grams of chicken, cut into medium pieces, 3 cups of basmati rice, washed, turmeric powder, ginger, 1 large onion, thinly sliced, 1 small onion, chopped into small pieces, 5 spoons of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons Shan instant Malaysian biryani powder, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic minced, 3 tablespoons oil, and of course, salt to taste. First, I marinated the chicken breast and chicken winglets in yogurt with salt. I let it sit for at least 30 minutes so the flavors soak right into the chicken, making it tender and flavorful. In another pot, heat oil, add the sliced onions and fry until golden brown. I cooked basmati rice with a pinch of turmeric powder and some ginger. The rice is about 70% cooked, so I strained it and set it aside. This way, it will finish cooking later with the rest of the dish. Now add chicken pieces and I add ginger garlic mince and saute until fragrant, then cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until lightly brown. Next, add yogurt, Shan biryani powder and salt, mix well and let this cook until the chicken is tender and coated in the spices. Optional, you can add chicken powder and vegeta for more flavor. Now it's time to layer. Spread half of the cooked rice over the chicken. Sprinkle fresh fried onion. Add the remaining rice on top, then garnish again with onion and I put some butter on top. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid. Cook on very low heat for about 10 minutes. This lets the flavors blend together beautifully. Now I'm moving on to the chicken winglets. I've already seasoned them, and I'm starting to cook them so the flavors lock in nicely. Optional, you can season your chicken with salt and pepper, but I use seasoning powder for steak. Checking the biryani, make sure you put in a low heat. After giving them a quick cook, I'll transfer them into the air fryer. The air fryer will make them perfectly golden, crispy on the outside, and juicy on the inside, without using too much oil. The chicken winglets are now perfectly cooked, golden, and crispy from the air fryer. I'm placing them right on top of the biryani, letting all that flavor sink into the rice. This way, the turmeric and ginger rice will soak up the juices, and the dish looks even more delicious with the crispy chicken resting on top. And here it is, easy fried chicken biryani crispy chicken with aromatic rice full of flavor and spice. I enjoy it with yogurt or tzatziki. Give this recipe a try at home and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching.